This tutorial will show you some of the more advanced features for the Setup Wizard. You can click Tools, Setup Wizard, and rerun it after you've added some layers. Let's say you wanted to make it such that the roadway shapefile had mile point information. You double-click on the entry for your New Jersey Princeton Township mile point roadway center files, or click the Edit button when you have it highlighted. To use mile point information, you click the Advanced button for Linear Reference System. Linear Reference System allows you to use mile points or addresses, provided that your shapefile has the correct information to calculate these. The way mile points are calculated, it uses a start mile point and an end mile point, and it calculates the distance that you are from the closest one of those endpoints. So in order for this to work, you have to have a shapefile that has the start mile point of a segment, the end mile point, and then a measured length. You also want to identify the route by some unique identifier. In this case, we're going to use roadway number. So we have a start mile point, an end mile point, a measured distance, and a road name. Click Close, and you may optionally want to label the roadways with the name of the roadway. And we'll choose to always label. Again, these visibility and labeling functionality are based on the maximum zoom extent down to a realistic minimum zoom level, and they're set into 10 increments. As you click Next, you'll have to go through and reset your maximum and default extents. Again, we'll use New Jersey as our maximum extent and Princeton Township as our default. As we hit Next, we haven't changed any of the visible shape or color, but we have labeled now the roadways. It can take a while to label a large number of features, so be patient if you choose to label a lot. Labels will look better as you zoom in, as more features will be able to be labeled. It'll warn you again that data will be copied. This is okay. As you can see, now we're at our default zoom extent and roadways are labeled. And when you right-click and choose Info on a line segment, depending on how close you are to the line, it will attempt to get the mile point information for that roadway. In this case, it found a mile point of 2.904 based on the beginning and ending mile points. Now when you add an assembly, if you have a database open, you right-click and choose Add. Now SignProx will attempt to get the mile point information for the roadway you clicked on. Thank you. That is a demonstration of some of the advanced features of the Setup Wizard.